Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn about Google Admin Console. It's a centralized hub to control for any administrator to control Google Workspace. We're going to dive in, so grab your credentials and let's sign in. Alright, let me just enter the password here. Alright, we're signing in. Okay, so once you've signed in, you get a basic interface. Let me just go walk through this basic interface. On the left side hand side, you get admin, directory, devices, apps, billing, and accounts. Over here, you get a widget that explains your users. This is your billing section, so you get to know what your billing is. You get all the product updates, any new features introduced, you'll see them here. Domains are usually pronounced here. You get alerts here, and this is the cloud management. Alright, so let me just start with the basic. But for this particular video, we'll look into how to add new users. You can simply click here, add new user. A pop-up will come. You can write uh, first name, last name, John Nick. You can choose your domain, which is sales amplifiers over here, and then you have a secondary email and the phone number. You can simply click to add new user, and John Nick will be added. You can print out the password and the credentials and send it to John. Now you can always save it as a PDF and send it to John, or you can preview and send, and it will simply just send the credentials to John on his secondary or his personal email address. Moving forward, you just click done and that's it. You can just copy and then John will be prompted with new passwords, new credentials where he can will create his own passwords for his own privacy. Next up is we will see we can go into users. So let me just go into this user, Manzaranjum, that's me. In this user, we can always reset the password, update user, upload profile photo, add alternate email. So this is quite common. So as you can see with add alternate emails, I have added alternate emails like info at sales amplifiers, frequently asked questions, that is facts at sales amplifiers. So these are my alternated, or they are called alias. You can have alias email addresses, so anybody who sends an email to info, that would be received to me. Once the organization is big, so let's say if there's the organization has 10 employees, you can simply start up a group, but I will go into groups in later videos, because in groups then particular you can create OUs, organization units, and anybody who sends an email to info, that info email address will be linked to a group of executives or C-level executives. So that's where groups come in. Then there's an organization unit. Um, we'll go great in depth in organization. There's a brief video on organization units, but let's move to devices. Over here, we get an overview of devices, so we get to know which mobile devices we're working on right now. Our users are working. No devices added here because it's a basic video. It is just to show you the features here. You can go to apps. These are apps. Google Workspace app. You can as you can see, all the Google Workspace apps are here. You can do Gmail settings here. Um, you can do a lot of, you can set up your Jamboards, Google Meets, so anything that is related to administration or setting up rules, that can be done over here. Now, furthermore, we're going to move to Google Workspace Market apps. You can go to App List. These are the third-party apps. You can work into it like Zoom for Google Workspace, and other third-party apps can be integrated into Google Workspace. Then we can move towards billing. Billing is simple. You can see subscriptions. What I'm subscribed for right now. I'm subscribed for Google Workspace Business Starter, but obviously I can upgrade it with Google Workspace Business Starter. You don't really get much because this is the basic subscription. So moving forward. Then we have payments account here, which accounts are linked here. You can view your invoices. Then we can go to accounts, account settings. We can create admin roles, who's allowed to do what. There's Google classifies administration roles in different categories. So there's a super admin. Super admin has everything to do, Google admin, but the more the company is bigger, you can distribute these roles accordingly. So that was a basic tutorial on what Google Workspace is, how to get around. You can see how John Nick is now added. Now I would like to delete him. So you can just go to delete user. Once you delete user, there will be a prompt that transfer users data. So you can transfer any data that John Nick had to a certain email address. So I'm going to add Munzer at sales amplifiers. Okay, and that's where the data is going to go. That's pretty much it. I'll delete the user, and deleting user. This will take quite a while. They want to make sure that no data is lost and all data is transferred from John to Munzer. And that's pretty much it. Let's go to home. We can always go to billing from here in this little widget that can be created. Once you create groups, this will be populated, and you can manage domains here, whatever domain you have. Because let's say I have two domains right now. One is secondary domain and one is primary domain, so I can work with it. Um, I think that was a basic tutorial of Google Admin Console. There's much more to it, and in my following videos, I'll be going along. So this was a basic feature video. Um, I think I covered everything. I don't think that there's anything left for the basic videos. So good luck, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.